Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to demonstrate about how to draw a Penrose triangle. A Penrose triangle, also known as an impossible tribar, is an optical illusion forming a triangle that can be depicted in a drawing only, but couldn't exist in reality. To begin, I'll grab the pen tool and draw a line about this long. I'll select the Move tool, then I'll align it horizontally to the center and set the stroke width to 1 point. Then I'll press Enter to bring up the Move/Duplicate panel. Now on vertical setting, I'll change it to 100 pixel. I'll check the duplicate, change the number of copies to 2, and click OK. Next, with the Move tool selected, I'll press Ctrl A to select all and go to the context toolbar. In Move tool settings here, I'll click Enable Transform Origin and move this point upward. Then I'll press Enter to bring up the Move/Duplicate panel. On rotation, I'll change it to 120 degrees. Then I'll click Duplicate, set the number of copies to 2, and click OK. Next, I'll press Ctrl A to select all, grab the pen tool, and click here to connect these points, and goes on until it's around the triangle. After that, I'll press V to switch to the Move tool, press Ctrl A to select all, and click here to group them all. Then I'll select the Shape Builder tool. On Action here, make sure it's switched to plus, drag method in freehand, cleanup is none, and check the Use Style from first selected area. Now let's drag here to combine these sections into one shape. Then these sections, and these sections as well. Now our Penrose triangle is formed. Let's give them some colors. I'll click the Fill tool here, then select this section and drag the gradient path here. On this point, I'll change it to purple, and this point to slightly darker purple. Now I'll right click on it and click Copy. Go to the Layers panel, select the other shapes, go to Edit menu at the top, select Paste, and click Style. Next, I'll click this shape and adjust the gradient path for this one. Select this one as well, and drag the gradient path like this. Then I'll go to the Layers panel and hide this group that contains the lines. Select the Move tool, then select all, change the stroke width to 0, and move it to center. Now the Penrose triangle is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. And as always, thanks for watching and good day.